Supercharge your contracting business with our foundation repair products. Here at Engineered Basement Solutions, we have the best foundation repair products in the industry. At an affordable price and easily accessible through our website, our products, ranging from carbon fiber to metal brackets, are engineered to use the structure of the building to provide superior solutions to foundation issues. Each product line is easy to learn, install, and versatile in different situations. As a contractor, you can create new and greater opportunities for your business by using our Fiber Fusion carbon fiber product line. Give your customers peace of mind that you are using the best products in the industry for their foundations. Bowing walls are no match for Fiber Fusion. Go to our website, register as a contractor, and order today.